What's going on, guys? This is a quick video about my L108, but I guess this doesn't matter. It's just about it for any lawnmower motor. So we just put a new motor on this thing maybe about 2 years ago. Recently we had to change out the little solenoid underneath the fuel bowl. After doing that, everything was fine. But now the thing's starting to surge. I'm not sure if it's the fuel bowl again, the solenoid again, or if it is something else, because as you can see here, it's smoking and surging. So, a quick way to test if your solenoid's still good, just put your key in, but don't turn it over all the way. You can hear it, mine. I mean, you can put your finger on it and click it. So that was good. I pulled the spark plug out. I checked it. It does have spark. So there's nothing wrong with the coil or the spark plug itself. But it is surging. Hell, even when I go to fill it up or start it up, it like hydro locked itself. Yeah, that shouldn't be fucking fuel. That should maybe be oil. So what I did is I figured must have some sort of fuel problem. So instead of trying to troubleshoot it, I just went and bought another carburetor for it. Make it easier. I have a lot going on, so this is the easiest way to do it, but this is also the expensive way to do it. As you can see, I already pulled the fuel filter or fuel line off. So on mine it's a 11, not an infamous 10. So supposedly this is the OEM Briggs carburetor. I mean, it looks the same. What the hell, it's hard to tell. Okay, so in order to take this all out, you actually do have to take this off the head. Let's see in there. And then you have to unbolt these. Slide this off, but I think I have the linkage wrong. I gotta look and see how this one goes or where it goes to. Kind of fell off, and I think it's in the right spot, but not 100%. Since I don't have the tripod and a flashlight, it's kind of hard. So make sure if you have this issue, check your oil, because this was just changed like a month ago, but it's full of gas. I gotta go get a wrench to go pull the freaking filter off. The oil filter was filled with gas also. More like a gas filter. So I got a new 3614. So my wife picked up. A little oil goes a long way. Hand tight. So the carburetor we're using is a Briggs and Stratton OEM 59493. Alright, so after checking spark, checking the solenoid on the float bowl down here, came to find out that the needle in the carburetor was letting fuel run in, and it filled up the engine with fuel. So when I took the valve cover off, gas poured out. Had to change the oil. I just went and swapped the carburetor with a brand new one. So let's try to start it for the first time. Hopefully I have the linkage right. Well, I'm almost positive that's old oil and gas. I can hear it sizzling. So I think what I'm going to do is put the hood back on it, mow the lawn, or see if it can mow the lawn, and then see if it's still smoking. Oh, by the way, my lawn really needs to be cut. It's tall. So after doing all that, I mowed the lawn. It smoked for a little bit, and then it was fine. So I'm sure after a while it'll quit smoking. It might smoke a little bit more because there's still a little bit of oil still under there. But if this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and until next time, later.